This recipe is a combination of pizza and pasta, so if you love both, you're going to definitely love this pizza. It's easy and it tastes super delicious. Let's get started. So first you need to bring some water to a boil. The water should be enough so that you'll be able to boil pasta in it. Add some salt as per taste and as per the quantity of the pasta. Now add half cup macaroni pasta. You can also use your choice of pasta. So boil this till the pasta is cooked. The pasta should not be overcooked. So you can prepare the sauce and parallelly boil the pasta, or you can first boil the pasta, drain it and keep it aside. Now in another pan, heat 1 teaspoon oil and 1 teaspoon butter. And when the butter melts and it heats up, you need to add garlic. So 2 medium-sized cloves of garlic finely chopped, saute for 10 to 15 seconds. And then add 1 small thinly sliced onion. Again saute till the onions become slightly pink in color. We do not want to make these brown. Then add 1.5 teaspoon maida or all-purpose flour, and you need to saute it for a minute on low flame. It should not be raw, otherwise your sauce is not going to taste good. Now add half cup milk. You should be continuously stirring the sauce when you're adding milk. Then keep the flame low and add seasoning, half teaspoon red chili powder and some salt as per taste. So the seasoning I'm using here is Italian mixed herbs. These are very easily available in the market. Now I'm breaking 1 cheese slice into the sauce. You can also use some cheese from the cheese cubes which we get in the market. And once this sauce thickens a bit, add the boiled pasta and give it a good mix and take it out in a bowl and keep it aside. So here's the Kadhai oven setup which I normally use, and it has half cup salt in it, a stand, and I'm going to cover it, and at medium flame I'm going to preheat it for 10 minutes. The salt color looks different because I have been reusing the salt. That's why it turns like pale in color. Okay, so this is a pizza base. I'm using ready-made pizza base, and if you have a pizza plate you can use that, otherwise normal plate. Now prick using a fork and apply some water. So this is going to make the top of the pizza base moist and soft. Do not add a lot of water, otherwise it will become soggy. So this step is going to make your pizza base better. Now here I have 1 tablespoon chili sauce and 1.5 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Add half teaspoon mixed Italian herbs, 1 small clove of garlic finely chopped. Give it a good mix. If you want, you can also use the conventional pizza sauce recipe from my veg pizza recipe. But I'm using this quick sauce. So apply 3 to 4 tablespoons of sauce on the pizza base. Spread it evenly. Next, make a layer of the prepared macaroni pasta. Now here I'm adding mozzarella cheese, approximately 25 to 30 gram, and after that approximately 20 gram cheddar cheese. If you do not find cheddar cheese, you can also use pieces of the cheese cubes which we get in the market. To bake this pizza in OTG or convection, preheat it for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and then bake the pizza for 5 minutes. And in kadhai or pressure cooker, place the pizza, and between low to medium flame you need to cook the pizza for 5 to 7 minutes. Remember, if you keep on baking it, the base will become hard like a papad. So make sure you do not overbake the pizza, and make sure you use cheese which has been kept in refrigerator and not right out of the freezer. Okay, so this pizza is done. I sprinkle some mixed Italian herbs. Slice the pizza right away. Okay, before that I'm just putting some sauce on top so that I get to see some red color on the top. This is totally optional. I just felt like doing it, so I did it. So slice the pizza and devour right away. When you take it out of the oven or kadhai, it tastes creamy and delicious. Give it a try and enjoy.